guys, tonight I'm making some shrimp for my family. I had this defrosting for a couple hours, so I'm about to get started. So you guys, I am using my Crofton brazier from Aldi. I love this pot. A handful of garlic I'm going to chop up. I normally have garlic in my freezer, but I used the last little bit of it, so now I have to chop some up today. Okay, I have, hold on, let me close my fridge. Okay, so I have my garlic chopped up. I have some butter. I'll probably use half this stick of butter. I'm gonna pop it all into my pan. I'm gonna set my pan at a medium heat. I am going to get my butter thrown into this pan. It's just about melted. I'm just gonna add in my garlic. I wish I had more garlic. This is about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Just gonna cook that. Smell of this garlic, the smell of it alone is enough to make your mouth water. Just gonna dump in the shrimp. This is, I don't know how many pounds it is, but I got 3 bags at Walmart, so that's that. Has garlic salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, did I say that? And that's basically it. I'm just gonna pour it over. I would do lemon pepper and I would do Old Bay, but I'm out, so I'm just using what I have in the house. So do about a teaspoon each. You can choose on the salt if you want that much or not. It depends on you. You know, some people don't like a lot of salt, and it's better if you don't add salt. You can always add it later. So I just season this shrimp up. I am going to just let it cook with that garlic and that butter. I might even add a little more butter in here. I'm not sure. All right. This is looking good. Smells so good. I decided to add that other half stick of the butter because I wanted it a little more saucy. But do as you wish, guys. But try this. It's a quick, easy weeknight meal. You can have this with bread. I wish I had bread made. Wish I would have picked some up. But we're going to just have it with some rice and some salad. Show you what that looks like. So our shrimp is done. I just cut the burner off. I don't have real lemon juice. I just have this. So I'm just going to add a little squeeze just for a little hint of freshness. And then we're going to put this on rice. My son really wanted pasta, but I think we're just going to do it on rice. And because that's what I originally planned. And we're gonna just have some salad. It's just a quick dinner tonight. All right, guys, so this is our dinner. Believe it or not, this is a really great weeknight dinner because it comes together so quick. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Dinner is ready in about 15 minutes.